Algorithm. Prompt the user to enter a number. Read the number from the user. Generate a random integer between 1 and 7. Map the integer to the corresponding day of the week. Display the day of the week to the user. Pseudocode. Prompt the user to enter a number. Read the number from the user and store it in a variable called number. Generate a random integer between 1 and 7 and store it in a variable called random number. Use a switch statement to map the random integer to the corresponding day of the week. If random number is 1, set day of week to Sunday. If random number is 2, set day of week to Monday. If random number is 3, set day of week to Tuesday. If random number is 4, set day of week to Wednesday. If random number is 5, set day of week to Thursday. If random number is 6, set day of week to Friday. If random number is 7, set day of week to Saturday. Display the day of week to the user. Java code. Import Java. Util. Scanner. Public class exercise 5. Public static void main, string, args. Opening curly bracket. Scanner in equals new scanner. System.in. System.out. Print, input number. Int day equals in. Next int. System.out. Print ln, get day name, day. Closing curly bracket. Get the name for the week. Public static string get day name, int day. String day name equals. Switch, day. Case 1. Day name equals, Monday, break. Case 2. Day name equals, Tuesday, break. Case 3. Day name equals, Wednesday, break. Case 4. Day name equals, Thursday, break. Case 5. Day name equals, Friday, break. Case 6. Day name equals, Saturday, break. Case 7. Day name equals, Sunday, break. Default. Day name equals, invalid day range. Closing curly bracket. Return day name. Closing curly bracket. Closing curly bracket. Sample output. Input number 3. Wednesday.